the thing we've done in our business, which helped this a lot, is we let the employees write their own culture, right? Obviously, the team builder, the manager, was driving it, but we let them draft those documents. It wasn't me writing down what kind of company we have, what we expect, what sort of environment we're looking for, when people will get fired. I let all the employees come together and write that themselves, so they own it. They own the environment. Like, they wrote down exactly what they want and what they don't want. So now if someone messes up, and I gave them some constraints, right? Like, I told them, well, let's make it a place that you want to work in, but we still need to make money. So some of the things I want you to address in these documents is like, what happens when one of you is sick, when wants to go on leave, when can't work, so things still need to get done. So they wrote all these things in, and now if someone doesn't follow it, I'm like, well, you're not following your own rules that you guys wrote down, and the next step is also written in the document, so this is what's going to happen. So there are not really questions or bad feelings towards me about any of this. It's like, well, you guys came up with it, and it becomes easier.